Greetings, I am Jen Tyler, Political Deputy Minister of the Ministry of the Interior. Welcome to the world of TIGO. TIGO's Taiwan Geographic Information Search. Taiwan's rich geographical landscape, natural resources, and cultural attractions contribute to the many charms of this small island. Over time, wide varieties of multidimensional geographic information have been accumulated. In the early developmental stages, the accumulated geospatial data from various sources were acquired for the needs of various agencies. These data were abundant, but scattered among different levels of government organizations, which made them difficult to integrate, share, and use. TIGOS is short for Taiwan Geospatial One-Stop Portal, functioning as data warehouse and web service platforms for the National Geographic Information Systems. In the early days, the National Geographic Information Systems were developed by each separate agency based on its own specific business needs. Thus, the system lacked unified data standards and circulation methods, which made it difficult to share data interactively. The public had to log into the web service system of each separate agency to retrieve the necessary information. This was a great inconvenience. Therefore, the Ministry of the Interior integrated the geographic information systems that had been dispersed among various agencies and developed this single portal as a service platform. In the future, we hope TIGOS, after a major promotional effort, can be broadly used by industry, government, and academia and help the public enjoy convenient and efficient access to the world of e-commerce. In 1990, the Ministry of the Interior established the National Geographic Information System Steering Committee. This marked the beginning of an effort to integrate 9 geographic databases. In June 2009, a new National Geographic Information System promotional organization, led by CEPD, added 6 application support groups to the 9 databases. The Information Center of the Ministry of the Interior is responsible for comprehensive planning, standard system, and data warehouse groups. It is responsible for managing the geospatial data and applications within their business scopes. The TIGOS portal has been created to integrate national geospatial data, which was formerly dispersed among various agencies. Initially, the purpose was to instruct appropriate government authorities to draft service regulations and help government and the private sectors to integrate and develop value-added application services, thus achieving data access and data sharing. The second phase focused on the integration, value-added information, application services, and development of the National Geospatial Information System. The third phase focused on developing a method of data exchange, data mining, and other functions in order to build a complete National Geospatial Information System warehouse and access center. After 2008, TIGOS accelerated the development of its alliance nodes, considered how to sustain its operation, strengthened its value-added geospatial data application, and improved the SOA data and functionalities. The TIGOS portal solves the related problems of national geospatial information, system access, and data sharing. It offers functions such as online metadata search, cross-node layer browsing, and online geospatial data access. The portal has shown positive results in data sharing, geospatial data warehousing, and in enhancing the overall value of the national geospatial information systems. The TIGOS portal, by interfacing with Alliance nodes, adheres to the Centralized Management Distributed Processing model. This model maximizes the value of the geospatial data generated by the various agencies and facilitates information access and data sharing. Alliance nodes, based on their type and scope of utilization, are separated into 4 categories: metadata type, geospatial data supply type, online service supply type, and gateway type nodes. Currently, the data collected by TIGOS includes core geospatial data and basic geospatial data. Of these types, the core geospatial data is the more important, and it is often shared for base maps. The basic geospatial data is a comprehensive and universal basic environment data that is crucial for national development. In the modern world, data accumulate very fast. One critical factor of excellent spatial data sharing and exchange is the popularity of metadata. By entering, accessing, and interpreting metadata, users can gain preliminary knowledge about the spatial data itself. Therefore, the Ministry of the Interior adopted international standard ISO 19115 and made TWSMP as the nation's metadata standard. In 2008, the Information Center of the Ministry of the Interior developed networked and standalone versions of a metadata editing system. This system was offered to data providers so as to build an integrated metadata database of National Geospatial Information System. In 2005, after finishing the basic functions of the data warehouse, the developers of the TIGOS portal incorporated value-added data applications from each agency and then imported service-oriented architecture in 2007. Users could then, through network service technology, acquire timely and complete spatial data from different agencies on just one portal, and thus achieve multi-platformed, cross-node data integration and access. For general users, TIGOS' many functions enable the retrieving of information both richly and in real time.